Hey there, if your Verizon router is showing a red globe, it means there's a connection issue. But don't worry, in this video we will walk you through simple steps to get your internet back up and running. First, check if there's a service outage in your area. Use your mobile data to visit Verizon's website or check the My Verizon app. If there's an outage, Verizon will notify you, and all you need to do is wait for it to be fixed. A loose cable could be the problem. Check all the cables connected to your router and make sure they are plugged in securely. A simple reconnection might fix the issue. If your router feels hot and the red light is flashing quickly, it may be overheating. Unplug it from the power source and let it cool down for a few minutes before plugging it back in. A quick restart can solve many connection issues. Just unplug your router for 30 seconds. Then plug it back in. Wait a few minutes for it to reboot and check if the red globe disappears. Outdated firmware can cause connection problem. Log into your router's web interface, navigate to System Settings, then go to Software Updates and install any available updates. Then restart your router to see if the issue is resolved. If your router is still not working, check for physical damage or faulty components. If you suspect a hardware issue, you may need a replacement. If nothing else works, try a factory reset. Use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button on the back of the router for 10 to 15 seconds. The router will reboot and restore its default setting. Note that will erase any custom settings. If the problem persists, it's time to contact Verizon support for further assistance. They can help troubleshoot and determine if you need a replacement. And that's it. Try these steps to fix the red globe on your Verizon router. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips.